Ever get a messy dataset and wonder what to do? Let's turn that raw data into real insights.
So here's our raw sales data. It's got potential, but it's a bit of a mess. Let's fix it.
We'll tackle this in 3 key steps: cleaning, transforming, and reducing. All right, let's start with the cleanup.
First up, we've got to drop any duplicate rows. This is a must for an accurate analysis. Simple as that.
Okay, next we fix the date format. This makes it usable for any kind of time-based analysis. Then we drop rows missing critical info, like a customer's name. We need complete records to trust them. And just look at that difference. The date column is now totally consistent. Much more reliable, right?
So, to recap our cleanup, duplicates are gone, dates are fixed, and missing values are handled. Solid start.
Okay, on to step 2, transformation. This is where we get creative and add some new features. For instance, we can create a sales category. This helps us easily spot high-value sales. We can also pull the year right out of the date. This is awesome for comparing sales by year. And just like that, you can see our 2 new columns right there. How cool is that?
And that's a wrap on transformation. We've added new columns and some powerful time-based features. All right, our final step is reduction. Now it's time to simplify and focus on what really matters. One way to do this is to just select the columns we need, effectively cutting out the noise.
Or we can aggregate. Here, we're summing up total sales for each customer every single year. So, to put it simply, reduction simplifies. We either remove columns or summarize rows for clarity.
And here's one possible result: a lean, focused dataset. It's now ready for a specific analysis.
And here's our other output, a high-level summary, perfect for dashboards. We really went from mess to meaning.
So let's quickly compare those two. Transformation creates new features, while reduction simplifies the dataset. That's the key. Okay, quick question for you. Which of our steps is the one that actually creates brand new columns? If you said transformation, you're exactly right. That's where we add all those cool new features.
And how about this one? Which step is all about reducing the number of rows through summarizing? That would be data reduction, specifically when we aggregate the data. You're totally getting this. Nice one.
And there's your blueprint. It's more than just processing data, right? It's about unlocking better questions.